Leave the way.
I just sustained a fracture.
And so? I have a date to catch. You're wasting my time. Get out of the way now.
You should at least show some little sympathy.
Are you out of your mind? Are you okay? I said get out!
Why would a beautiful girl like you be this heartless?
You are mad. Look at this poverty-stricken son of a nobody. You have the guts to talk back at me, right? I don't blame you. I blame poverty. If you don't leave my way this minute, I'll kill you. I don't give a fuck. Get out! You should have stayed now. No, you should have stayed. I would have killed your ass. POS.
Afternoon, ma'am.
50,000.
Oh. Please, your card. Please, your PIN. Ma'am, you look extremely beautiful. I like you. I would like to have your number if you don't mind.
You're very stupid. Do I look like your class? Useless thing. Fred?
Hi, yeah. The one Abigail told you about. You're calling my phone.
You?
Yes.
So it's actually you. Abigail has finished me. What kind of nonsense is this?
Beauty, come on, don't give me a red flag. I don't love you.
God punish you. Which red flag? Oga, we are not in same class. Look at yourself from head to toe and look at me. Are we same thing? Are we in same level?
Well, yeah, you bet.
You are mad. Bell kill you there. Look at this thing, oh. Can't you see the disparity? I am the daughter of the Major General in the army. There is no way on earth I will stoop so low to date someone like you. What nonsense!
Am I kind of woman?
You are mad. You are raving mad. I can never be your kind of woman. Not in this life, not in another life if there is. Are you mad? I don't date broke guys. Look at you. Poverty-stricken son of a nobody. What nonsense!
You're not looking bad.
You said that earlier and you're still saying it again. What's that?
I mean, look at how you
Of course, I'm your cousin. You always say that I'm beautiful now. Come on, monkey over your mama like that. Oh, see who we have here. My beautiful friend, Beauty. I promise you just beauty without stains. Beautiful beauty. How are you? I'm fine, darling. Immediately we just got here, the sun became brighter. My most beautiful friend, Beauty, with my cousin, Frederick, who's an African boy, and with my radiant friend, Beauty. Hi. Well, Beauty is she has such a lovely personality. Trust me, she's the best person you can ever meet, I promise you.
What are you doing outside?
Well, just seeing my cousin up.
It doesn't have a car.
No,
Whatever.
Yeah.
I'll see you some other time, I love you. Friend.
I'm not actually a broke guy. You don't judge a book by its cover.
Okay, I don't need to judge. I already know that you are broke. From your head to toe, you look broke. Look at your shirt. So cheap. Look at your trousers. Look at your sandals. Looks like 300 naira sandal from Aboki. Look at... Oh my God, Abigail has finished me. Have you brushed today? Look at your teeth. Huh? What is this? You smell. You're stinking. You smell of poverty. The last time I saw you, you were using Legady's Benz. Nothing has changed though. This is the second time I'm seeing you. You're still trekking on the road. What is wrong with you? No. What is wrong with Abigail?
Babe, you should have asked my cousin about me before pouring your venom on me.
I don't need to ask about you. Men see you at all. You are broke. There's brokenness in your DNA. Jesus.
Beauty, I don't just want you to be my girlfriend. I want commitment. I want to marry you.
No, repeat what you just said.
I want to marry you.
You are mad. You want to marry who? Are you out of your mind? You are stupid. I don't blame you. I blame Abigail. I will deal with her when I get to the house. But have you seen my man? My man is classy, expensive, very rich. That man smells of luxury. Look at the rag. Animal. Wait, you mean I dressed all the way just to come and see you? I wore my expensive dress, expensive outfit and shoe just to see someone like you? You want to marry something big. Go to the village and look for Ngweke. There's so many local girls around. I'm not your class. I'm not your type, and it can never be. Nonsense.
I like that, babe.
Forget about that girl. You can never have her.
I can. Why did you say so? I mean, am I not a man?
Of course you are. You're falling in love with the daughter of Major General in the army.
Wow. Her father is a major in the army.
See, if you don't have money, don't have a car, you can never be a spec. See, if you know what that girl does to men, you will hate her and everything that has to do with her.
Are you freaking kidding me?
See, you speak so well, but that is not enough. Beauty wants an already made man and not some broke ass nigga.
Beauty. Is that her name?
Yes, that is her name.
Wow. She's extremely beautiful.
There is nothing beautiful about a girl who does not have a good character trait. She knows she's beautiful and she allows that get into her head. That makes her so arrogant and pompous. I've been telling you these things and you are still telling me beauty, beauty, beauty.
I've heard you. What about her parents?
Her parents are well-to-do. I just told you she's the only daughter of a major general in the army. Army! Leave that side.
I would like to know more about this girl. Like everything there is to know about this amazing beauty.
How be that? Hey, where you dey go?
Hi, my name is Kajitan and I'm here to see Beauty.
On appointment?
Not really. Please, inform her that the POS guy down the road wants to see her. I actually brought something for her. Yes.
Stand that side first.
I could just stand under the shade.
Bros, move out. Go out. I say make you walk. Go stand outside.
I'm here to see Beauty, please. Can you please help? Call her for me.
I say go stand outside. I'll brush you.
I will, but please. Okay, let me just stand here. Let me stand under the shade.
I'll go hose you now. Yeah, stand outside now. Grace, bomb say your head abi. You dey Grace. I took by idiots. God will punish you.
What has Beauty done? How can she just conclude on a guy she knows nothing about? Simply because she saw him in my house and he was trekking. He didn't come with his car, so she just felt he was broke. I mean, we're talking about Fredo, my cousin, an Abuja big boy who has his own duplex in Abuja, even owns a water factory. Oh my God, Beauty, you had the nerve to slap my cousin. Fredo, Abuja big boy. Hey, this girl is crazy. Okay, we shall see.
Who's the person that wants to see me?
Now that one guy wey say he dey do POS. See, you know him?
The gorgeous of them all. Hi, Beauty.
You! What arrant nonsense? What are you doing here?
I'm sorry. I'm actually here to see you.
Officer Musa, you said he has something to give to me.
Now wetin you talk? Bring the thing where you want give him.
Oh, yeah. I brought something for you. Here it is. I got you a bracelet. You will like it.
You bought this cheap necklace to woo me. Are you okay? Take this in and smell out of here, now! Get out!
Beauty, please. I beg you in the name of anything that you hold dear to. Do not push me away. Actually, I mean well.
You mean well. Listen, young man. To start with, we are not in same class, we're not in same level. Look at yourself from head to toe and look at me. Do I look like someone you can take care of? Do you think you can afford me? Oga, sew your coat according to your size. Like I said, get out!
Please, please. Why don't you accept me and see God do the magic? Or don't you believe in magic?
What magic?
Beauty. You are a steez. You are a paragon of purity. A lady that any man in his right senses would fall head over heels in love with. I fell in love with you from the very moment I set my eyes on your pretty face at the POS stand. I was captivated by your beauty.
But hold on. Were you not the guy that pulled a stunt at my gate the other day?
Yes, I was the one. I did what I did to get your attention. Beauty, please. I love you so much. All I'm asking of you is that you give me the opportunity to prove my unflinching love for you.
You will never get that opportunity. You're just a fool. Like I said, bounce.
Beauty, why you don't do this?
Are you mad? If you ever in your miserable life touch me again, you won't like what I'll do to you. Bound this idiot out of this compound, now!
Oh yeah, bros.
You're mad.
Please don't do this to me. I like you so much.
Bros! Oh yeah, move out. Alele. Beauty, please. No, they fear. Eh? Please talk to me. But, let's take it easy. They crazy. If they find love, under fire, you don't believe like drugs. They can't see you here again. God punish you. See moral, eh? Moral. Come find love. Hi.
Who is he? And what exactly is pursuing him? Are you sure he didn't try to get in trouble with the Johnsons? Well, you should have known that this house is a no-go area. Oh my God. Girl, tell me, who was that guy I just saw walking out of your compound?
Imagine that fool. He had the guts to come into my father's compound to woo me with one cheap necklace he bought from one aboki for 400 naira.
Okay, how did you both meet?
Well, I think it was POS down the road. I'm trying to understand what gave him the impetus to tell me nonsense.
If he came all the way here just to woo you, I think perhaps, he likes you. And I don't see any problem with it. Besides, you are a beautiful chick.
I see a huge problem with that. I can never date a broke guy, not to think of marrying him. I know what I want. I can never settle for less. Don't worry. My Melvin is equal to the task. He loves me as much as I love him.
Really?
Maybe he's very sweet though. That guy is too sweet. In fact, sweetness lies in between his thighs. He takes me to the moon and back.
Well, that's all good and nice, but did you see the guy that just left? Did you really take a good look at him? He's blessed with good looks. His body, the physique, everything. God, girl, come on.
Handsome, but broke. Good body with no 6 zeros in his account. Babes, shoe get size now.
Well, I know all of that. But I've seen a poor man get married and just like that, he suddenly came into wealth, became very rich. And I've also seen a rich man who became broke within the twinkle of an eye. So, come on.
Friend, listen up. I want an already made guy. I am not ready to suffer with any man. Beauty is not ready to suffer with anybody. Ha! No.
My darling, come on. A woman's beauty is just like a flower. It fades when the sun hits hard. So think about it. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's ticking. Come on.
I will not relent. I will do anything within my power to make sure that I have beauty. I must marry beauty. Yes. No matter what the push is, no matter the fights, the slaps, the insults, I will end at nothing but to make sure that I have her.
Hey, bro. You've been here and I've been knocking for like forever. Are you okay?
Good. Man, it's beautiful.
What about her?
I don't even know what to believe anymore. That girl, she's not giving me any green light. As a matter of fact, she's not coming around.
Bro, I have told you countless times to look elsewhere. Let me remind you who you are. 1, you are good looking. 2, you are wealthy. Now you do not deserve this level of emotional imbalance from a woman. Look elsewhere.
More reason I've got everything aside, true love. My father, who is a soldier, married my mother out of love. I guess that's the reason why they ended up the way they did. Because of what happened between the both of them, I made a vow to myself never to end up the same way, which is to marry out of love. It has always been my biggest fear.
I understand you very clearly. But you don't have to remind me about a story that I already know of. I know everything. My point is just you getting married to a woman who values you. You see, my point is there are a lot of beautiful women out there who would just at once fall for you and be willing to get married to you. It mustn't be this lady.
Okay, listen. You still don't get the point. It's beauty or no one else. Listen, she's the one that I love. The one that I want to be with. The one that my heart have accepted. She's the one that I want to make the mother of my kids. It's my choice and my decision. It's what I want.
Can you hear yourself? Taking abuses, tolerating insults from a woman, and you are here praising her. Can you even hear how you sound? Forget about beauty. Look for someone else. Except you want to return to the States this time around without a wife. Which I believe was your major target when you were coming back. Get some sense.
Girl, embarrassing that cute guy in your father's compound is a no. There's a limit to which any guy can take from any babe.
Well, that serves him right. Next time, he will not come into this compound. Because if he does, I will ask Officer Musa to shoot him on his legs.
Can you just stop? Listen, no one has the monopoly of madness. You should understand that. That guy might just be planning to retaliate on what you just did to him.
Abigail, can you snap out of this? Have you forgotten I am the daughter of Major General Johnson? Nobody can do me anything. Nobody born of a human can hurt me. I'm not afraid.
Okay, agreed. But now, can you just, for once, give the guy the attention he craves for?
Wait, hold on. I want to understand something. Abigail, are you of the opinion that I date that good-for-nothing human being? That gold digger, that dirty person and leave my sweet Melvin? Really? Did you see that thing that walked out of his compound?
No, I'm sure that you are the person that is not really looking. Did you see him? Did you look at him properly? Come on. Listen, I think that guy might just like you.
I don't need his love. You should go to hell.
For once, can you just calm yourself down and not allow beauty cloud your judgment? Why are you allowing your beauty come into your head?
Are you insulting me? Is that what you're trying to do?
Far from that, my darling friend. All I'm saying is, we're done with school. Yes. And since you do not want to get a job, I am of the opinion that you should at least get married and give your parents grandchildren.
See who is talking. Keto calling pot black. Are you married?
Well, if I was half as beautiful as you are, trust me, I would have been married with so many beautiful kids running around my table.
Which one is if you as half as if what? You are very beautiful. It's just that you don't have a crush. But since you don't have a crush, feel free to crush on Kajitan. Or better still, I dash you. I don't want him. Have him all to yourself.
Same way you don't want my cousin Fred. Beauty.
What audacity! What are you talking about? That ingrate threw away the necklace that you bought for $500 away, and she referred to it as cheap. Does she even know how much that is worth in Nigerian currency?
Trust me, she have no idea. I watched that girl call what I bought for her cheap, right in front of me.
Can I ask you one question? What exactly do you find so intriguing, so attractive from this stupid girl that you can't even let go?
She's beautiful. She's the gorgeous of them all. The envy of all the women I've ever known in my life.
Very stupid of a thing to say. Foolish reason. Senseless. Beauty? Without brains? Rubbish. That girl is snobbish, rude, uncultured. She has no home training. Do I have to remind you the story of your father and mother? You told me that your father met your mother. She was the most beautiful one in the society, in the state. Even at the international sense, she was admired by everyone. But your father forgot to pay attention to details. He ignored all the red flags. Friends and family alike tried to speak sense into him. Continuously, your father refrained from those advices. What happened? He went ahead and got married to your mother. Your father took your mother to the United States of America. They were there. He showered her with all the affection, love, care, provision that any sane woman would cherish and hold tight, dear to her and forever. What did your mother do? I am sorry to remind you, but I have to. Your mother went ahead sleeping with every Dick, Tom, and Harry. Your father suffered psychologically. He was traumatized, but he kept loving your mother. At the end of the day, your mother, being an ingrate, decided to file for a divorce. The judge, as it is very common with America, sided and approved her divorce. Your mother left and never looked back. Your father wept, was heartbroken, was devastated. Do I have to remind you who raised you? You were single-handedly raised by your father as a single parent. He watched you grow into the man that you are today. Every single thing that you have, the credit goes to your father for never giving up. Now let me ask you this question. Do you want history to repeat itself? I guess not. So brace up.
Baby, you're not looking at me.
Babe, please. I need to finish this thing and submit it to my client immediately.
Wait, is this client important than me?
Babe.
Look, I need all the attention I can get. You should focus on me. What is this? Is that too much to ask?
Babe, what are you talking about? We just made out a few hours ago. And I said, okay, fine, let me sit back and arrange this, and you are here.
But I told you I wasn't satisfied.
Babe, please, I have to say this to you. Your insatiable quest for sex is really disturbing me, and it has gotten here. What is this?
Hey, my love, you are my man. For the fact that you are my man, I will not be able to cheat. As a matter of fact, I cannot cheat as long as I'm dating you. So, focus on me. Make yourself available whenever I want you.
Babe, please,
That's how it should be. Hey, baby, I need this thing back. Don't argue now. You're my man. Oh, baby. That was hot. You got me out there. Oh, you're strong. You're a man.
Okay, babe, I have a question to ask you.
I'm listening, baby.
What plans do you have for your life?
What are you talking about?
Okay. Do you ever think of getting a job?
I don't want to work. I'm fine the way I am.
I'm trying to understand how a first and second degree holder from Oxford University will sit around doing nothing.
Okay. I want to ask you my own question.
Okay.
Why have you not thought about marriage? We've been dating for 3 months now, and you have not talked about marriage or even thinking of throwing an engagement party for me. You have not met my parents, and you have not deemed it fit for me to see your parents. Why?
Beauty, what is wrong with you? For crying out loud, we've just dated for 3 months and not 3 years.
Okay, you want to date me for 3 years before you propose to me? It's all beginning to make sense to me now. You don't love me. You're just with me because of sex.
That's not true. Okay, fine. If I meant to say this, I'll say this to you right here, right now. You are the one who is begging me for sex. You are the one who is always wanting it, and I don't want it. I don't fancy it. For crying out loud, you're desperate. That is what it looks like. You want... Jesus Christ.
I am desperate. As in, you are calling me desperado, ain't it? No problem.
Another disappointment again. This girl is extremely beautiful. She looks more beautiful even when she's angry. Yeah. Beauty. She's a beautiful lady that any man in his right senses will fall head over heels in love with. Why is she being so difficult to get? What can I do to win her heart? Maybe I should get her flowers. Some ladies love flowers. Yes, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Get her flowers. I mean, she's everything and more that I want in a woman. I suffer perennial insomnia each time I think of her. And I will do anything within my power to get her.
I've been searching for a long time for you. When you drove by, I knew that you were the one. Yeah, I've tried to get you off my mind, but I failed. Oh, baby, give me a chance to love you. Oh,
How is that?
She's the one I love. Oh, yeah.
Wait, you again? Bros. What happened? What did they find?
I want to see Beauty.
Want to see Beauty?
Yes.
Again?
Bro, you know, I love Beauty so much. Please, help me and talk to her. Tell her to accept me. Please.
Why you know they hear word, guy? Eh? You dey find woman and for general house, you can't find the woman. You won't die? Eh?
It's love. Oh.
It's love. Hey, come, what's be your occupation? What did they do?
My occupation?
I
have a POS stand just down the street.
A POS?
Yes.
POS? Now they took eye for general picking.
It's love, my brother. I love her.
Who tell you that prophecy? You dey crazy so. You dey oh yeah. Fall out. They go like this first.
I should leave.
I'll work. They go like this.
Yeah, but I'm here to see.
I said they go like this. They go like this. Oh, yeah, fall out.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's this noise? Wow.
Now this boy, you, the PS guy.
What is that behind you? What are you hiding?
I thought you like it.
Are you mad? Stupid. What are you doing?
You don't have to do this. I spent a fortune for this flower.
This will be the last time I'll set my eyes on you.
Beauty, you know that I love you so much. All I'm asking is for you to give me the opportunity to even love you more.
Musa.
Yes, man.
Discipline him.
Eh? Go down first. Bros, go down.
You don't have to do
Go down.
Take it easy now.
So I warn you. I don't warn you. Oh yeah, do frog jump. Stand up first. They jump.
Jump!
Oh yeah. Hold on.
Please give me attention after jumping. Yeah?
They jump. I said I go brush you. Wallahi tallahi, I go punch.
I'm jumping.
Oh yeah, they jump.
How can you ask your officer to mete out such wickedness on this young man to the extent of asking him to frog jump? What is this?
He has crossed his boundary. Jump!
One.
My legs.
1, 2. Fresh. Start again. Again from beginning.
My leg is paining.
Oh yeah.
Please,
Musa, intensify it.
Your leg is paining.
I will jump.
Oh yeah, they jump.
Ask him to stop right now. Else I will leave.
Feel free to leave.
Really?
I'm not stopping you.
You think I'm bluffing?
Get out.
Okay.
Stop. Also.
Musa, stop!
Eh?
The next time I set my eyes on you again in this compound, you won't like what I will do to you. Throw this idiot out!
Hey!
Beauty, what is wrong with you?
Do you think the God will
See this guy. Ordinary POS guy, they took eye for general picking. Now Morana, no they fear.
Useless man. Next time in your entire miserable life, you will never come close to my father's gate. Nonsense.
Beauty, it's high time you stopped this show of stupidity. For crying out loud, are you the only girl that has a military father? Huh?
Mother, please, leave me alone.
Oh, really? I should leave you alone, right? My dear, an adult does not stay at home and watch a she-goat deliver in tears. No way. I cannot sit down and watch you do this evil to yourself. Because what you are doing to yourself right now is evil.
What is evil that I'm doing? What is evil in telling a man that I don't want him? That Kajatsan, or whatever his name is called, does he think I will ever stoop down to his level? Me? This beauty will come down to his level? That ugly trash?
Gosh, how come you are this beautiful but so insensitive? Huh? You are so unreasonable, so myopic, so unruly, so unrefined and uncultured. What is wrong with you?
Mother, you know better not to insult me. Like I said, leave me the hell alone.
You know what? Abigail is a beautiful girl from a rich background too. But she is so sensible. more sensible than you are? Why are you just a beautiful, uncultured fool? Why?
Well, you are the mother of a senseless person.
Very well then. I am going to sit here and watch you and love you to scorn when the time comes. In 10 years, 20 years, all this your beauty would have faded and wrinkles would have buried this your beautiful face and no man's visit. Rubbish. Beautiful. Okay. Let's watch and see.
Daddy, welcome.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Mom! Mom!
Where is she?
What do we have here?
Yes.
My husband.
Bye.
The husband of my youth. You're most welcome.
Thank you. How are you guys doing?
We're fine.
Oh, that's beautiful. Fantastic. So nice to hear from the two most beautiful women in my life.
Oh, my husband. You don't have your ways it went, you know.
It feels good to be home.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, why don't you go upstairs, freshen up, you come downstairs and lunch together.
Oh, that's great. Right away, let's go. That reminds me, who is the man that has been disturbing my beautiful daughter? Who is he? Where is he from?
My honey, it's nothing. Just go upstairs, freshen up, come down, and we'll refresh. See, you have been away for a while and I miss him.
I know that.
My guy, have you seen my girl recently?
Which girl are you talking about?
Which other girl? Beauty, of course.
What is it about this girl? Huh? How can you call a girl who hates your guts your girl? Make that make sense now.
I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been in love before?
I don't understand.
So I guess you do not have an idea how that feels. My guy, I love this girl.
We are talking money, you are talking love. Eh? Oh, they play. Let me tell you that her father just got back from his trip abroad. So in your best interest, avoid that surrounding. That gets everywhere, that junction, avoid it. Except you want to die. Of course, I know you don't want that.
Well, that's the best news I've heard today. So I can at least pay my would-be father-in-law a courtesy visit with a bottle of wine or maybe even champagne.
Yeah? What is that your name again?
Kajitan.
Kaji, waiting.
Kajitan.
You don't like your life, oh? I am telling you about a man, an army, a man who does not joke with his only daughter, and you are telling me about courtesy visit with wine, your poverty-stricken wine. You just want to die.
Do I look like I'm afraid to die? Listen, I was trained to face war squarely, but I've been afraid of losing my life. Death will come when it will come.
Death will come when it will come. Okay. Death down they call you, and they pick the call. Death they call you, they pick the call.
Amazing. I think it's about time I make beauty all mine. For keeps. I see my wedding loading soon. Kajita weds beauty.
Sergeant. Sean, sir. Go down the road. Bring me that POS guy. Right here, now.
Sean, sir.
Go. I will so deal with him.
So after everything, you are still going ahead to propose to this same girl?
Yes. After I have long waited for her dad to come back so that I can officially propose to her right in his presence. And I feel like this is the perfect time. So you should be happy for me as your guy. Are you not happy for me?
Love is a bastard. Look at you. Looking like a fool because of love. Has your brain gone numb? This girl's father is a top officer in the army.
Okay. So because he's a top officer in the army, are you expecting me to be scared of him or what? What are you insinuating?
You've not learned at all. And I'm sorry for you.
Listen, there's nothing anyone will do to stop me. It's this girl that I want. I will end at nothing but to make sure that I get married to Beauty. She's too beautiful. She's everything and more that I ever wanted in a woman.
I feel for you. I really feel for you. Can you just wake up from this daydreaming? This girl has already stated her stance in this entire drama, yet you are here messing up yourself.
Which is?
She doesn't want you. If you don't understand, let me tell you. She hates you. She doesn't find you attractive. You irritate her. In fact, everything negative, she sees it in you. And to make it even worse, she sees you as a broke guy. Now she's avoiding you like a plague.
Okay, so she doesn't want me. Is it you that she wants? And come to think of it, who says that broke men don't deserve beautiful women?
Wait.
Where is the idiot? Show, sir.
Yes.
This is the idiot.
What am I doing here, sir? Ma.
So you are the fool that has been stalking my daughter.
Stalking?
The Major General's daughter. A bloody civilian like you.
Sir, I am not Kajetan. You have the wrong person, sir.
So all of a sudden now you started denying your identity, your name.
I am James. I'm not Kajetan, sir.
Sergeant.
Sure, sir.
Tie this man and whip him until he starts bleeding all over his body.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what is going on? What is going on?
What?
What? Yes, sir. Wait. I know James.
Come on. Come on, James. Stop it.
I am James.
Hold on.
Hey! Father, this is not Kajetan.
This is not the POS guy that has been disturbing you?
No, you have the wrong person.
I am not Teta. Hey. Yes.
Matthew, what is wrong with you? Let him go.
Now stand up and disappear from here.
They see Tutu.
What are you still doing there? Disappear.
Leave him alone.
I said leave here now. Am I not talking to you? I said double, I can't. You want me to deal with you now? You want me to drill you?
Why don't you just call this whole thing a quit? I have this very strong feeling that this is not going to end well.
Well, nothing is going to happen.
I have a very strong feeling that this proposal is going to go wrong. Just like the ones on the internet.
No, nothing of that is going to happen. Listen, I love Beauty so much. And I'm not letting her go. I'll do anything within my power to make sure that I marry that girl.
Are you a joker? Are you a joker? Why are you making a fool of yourself? My understanding of love, which I believe everyone out there will agree with me, is it is a two-sided thing. You give, you take. But in your own case, it is one-sided. Just you and you and you alone. Why?
Well, see it from my own perceptions, and the truth is that I am the man here, and it is my duty to make her fall in love, to love her, while she submits entirely to me when we are married.
Why are you sounding so archaic and unreasonable?
Listen, please. I need you to allow me follow my heart. I believe this is two adults having a conversation.
Okay.
You haven't been in love before, so I'm sure you do not know how that feels. Allow me follow my heart. She is the one that I want.
What's going on here? Mom, are you with him on this? What is this?
Mom, what is going on in the house?
Beauty. Finding you is just like finding everything and more than I ever wanted in a woman. So, I'm going to be asking you right before your parents to please be my wife. You're the one that I want, and I would want to spend the rest of my life with.
You must be raving mad. So you went to get this cheap ring from one of these hawkers on the street to engage me. Are you okay? You have completely lost it.
Oh, young man, who are you?
Honey, he's the young man I told you has been pleading with your daughter to accept him to no avail. Believe me when I tell you that this young man has gone through a lot just to be with your daughter.
This is the Kajetan?
Yes, Father, Kajetan.
Sir, please. I love your daughter Beauty so much, and I will end at nothing but to make sure that I always put smiles on her pretty face. Please.
Sergeant! Musa!
Sir, please don't throw me out. I actually do well.
Sir, point this demented fool out of this house. Now! Yes, sir. Musa!
Leave my
Oh, yeah,
hand.
you go out.
Beauty, please.
Musa! Musa, take me now! Go out, move. So you arranged all this, right?
How far this boy has gone. He's a nice guy.
Bastard, stop now. I'm only in love. I didn't kill anybody. It's love.
Only in love. Now if you are forced to love person no love you. Person say he no want you. Now by force. Why you go love who no love you? Don't be saying an ordinary person carry eye put for general application.
Hey!
Calm down your head.
Idiot! Take your stupid music! Nonsense. Get out!
Where they move? They move. They move fine. Come out your teeth now.
What madness is this? Ordering an officer to pick up your chica who just simply proposed to you? Is that not preposterous?
Listen, there is no way I am offering this beautiful body to that trash. It's not happening.
Can you just come down from cloud 9? What is wrong with you, beauty? Did you see the ring at all, girl?
What do I need to say it for?
Well, you should have just taken a look. Because the ring is a pure 24-karat diamond gold ring.
I beg you. Who dash monkey banana? Where on earth will you see that kind of money to buy such a ring? Somebody that cannot change his boxers.
There you go again. I've told you to always talk to guys nicely. You should treat them with respect. Be kind. It won't cost you anything. Come on, every man deserves to be respected. It doesn't matter whatever you think.
Look, I hate repeating myself. When I tell these guys that I don't want to have anything to do with them, they should just let me be. They are broke. They cannot afford me. From my skin routine to my hair, my soap, my cream, to everything I use, they cannot afford me. They are broke. I'm expensive, too expensive for them.
Beauty, you have to retrace your steps before it's too late.
Abigail, take a good look at me. I'm beautiful and sassy. Don't you think I deserve better?
Well, it's up to you. Your life, your rules.
My Melvin is 1,000,000 times better than these classless fools. Our wedding will shake the internet. Don't worry.
Don't touch it now. Have you seen what you've brought upon yourself? What show of nonsense and pure madness is this? Have you seen what you've cost yourself? Have you lost it? Or you are losing it? How can you bring yourself down so low to allow these people shred you into pieces like a meat?
Greg, you don't understand. You will not.
I will not understand. I know I will not understand because I don't know where all this is headed. Have you lost it? Wait, this is actually not making sense. How can my good-looking friend be enduring all this pain and suffering because of a male girl? Wait, let me ask you this question again. What have you actually seen in this girl that is worth dying for?
She's extremely beautiful, and I love her so much. Isn't that enough?
Excuse you, can you hear yourself at all? When you talk, do you hear yourself? She's extremely beautiful. Need I remind you that the most beautiful thing about a woman is not her physical appearance, not her shape, not her uku. You understand? But the innate character. It stands above all when you talk about a woman you want to spend the rest of your life with.
Okay.
Now, wait. Don't okay yet. Now, don't you see her friend? She seemed to be well-mannered. Not that spoilt girl.
I don't know what you're getting at, but if I'm to get you clearly, You're trying to... In fact, why are you even talking about Abigail here? Huh? Why are you talking about her? What has this discussion had to do with Abigail? Let me guess. You're trying to now push me to Beauty's friend. Is that your plan?
Is this really you? The way you think has even changed. You are not thinking like a woman, insinuating things. How? From where? Liz, can we just have a normal conversation like man to man? Abigail is well-mannered, very cultured. You see, she has a good upbringing. And if you talk about beauty to some extent, she's even prettier than your so-called beauty. Let me remind you, you really have to get married before you leave this country.
And so because I need to get married before I leave this country, I should get married to anybody? Just anyone? Hell no.
Okay now. Then go and die. Go and submit yourself to them. Let them kill you. Let them slaughter you. Go. Just go back there. Let them kill you.
This Beauty or no one else.
Go and meet them. Let them kill. What's that?
Me stretching it.
Where?
I guess. I beg. See, you need to stop coming to my parents' town. Please, I don't want problem.
Why are you trying to pursue me? What did I do wrong?
Hey, what did you not do wrong? Huh? You've done everything wrong now. Huh? If you know what has gone wrong before now, you will not be here telling me this thing.
Did anything happen?
A lot has gone wrong. Eh? That army man that you go about chasing his daughter sent his foot soldiers to come here, picked me up, put me in the trunk of a car, and took me to his house. You needed to see the beating. They almost stripped me naked. Eh? If not for the timely intervention of that stupid girl. What was that her nonsense name self?
Are you talking about Beauty?
Beauty. Beauty. If not that she came on time and rescued the situation, my thing would have been dangling around. Hey. Could have been stripped naked. And they flogged the hell out of me. Hey. All because of you.
I'm sorry, my guy. I don't know why the rich cannot let the poor rest in this country. Hey. Eh? They're always intimidating us.
What are we saying now? Who is us? The rich are resting. You are the one that is looking for trouble. And I warned you now.
Sorry,
leave these people please leave these people alone now.
I'm sorry. Please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mother, you said you wanted to discuss something with me.
Sure. It's about Kajetan.
Mother, please don't spoil my mood.
Beauty, as your mother, I mean well for you.
Mother, you don't mean well for me. Because if you do, you will not be talking about that peasant. Everything about him irritates me. I despise him.
Have you taken your time to look critically at that young man?
Oh, God. Mother, for the uptenth time, Kajetan is not my spec and can never be.
Kajetan has prospects. He might not be what you want at the moment, but give him time. Things will definitely turn out positive.
But I don't have that time to spare. Alright? I should be associating myself with big dudes. Handsome dudes with plenty of money. Men that belong to the upper class. And not one local champion.
Beauty. I believe you know what you're doing.
Mother, you're stressing yourself too much. Relax. Very soon, I will bring you a man that you will be proud of. A man that will wow you. Don't worry. I know what I'm doing, okay?
I am classic. I will never anyone to fool around. Oh, I will not settle for less. If you can't pay my bills, what are you saying? I I cannot see you. I know I'm beautiful. I only listen when the money is talking. When the money is talking.
Kajetan.
You. I know you.
Well, Abigail, Beauty's best friend.
Yeah, I remember.
Anyway, I'm sorry for what my friend put you through.
Oh, why?
You already know why.
Because she thinks that I'm poor, I'm a low life, and can't afford to give her anything. You see this money, I must make it.
The way you're sounding, don't go and do something that will put you into trouble, all because of Beauty. It's not worth it.
I've been belittled, reduced to nothing, all for love.
Well, I understand how it feels to love someone who doesn't reciprocate your love.
Beauty is my word. I truly do love her.
Well, I'm sorry to break it to you. She doesn't feel the same about you.
Why can't I have someone that I truly do love?
Well, I want you to understand something. Beauty will never love you. Not now, not ever. Anyway, tell me more about you.
Abigail, please, I would like you to please talk to your friend on my behalf. Tell her that I truly do love her so much and I would want her to be the mother of my kids.
Haven't you been listening to me? Didn't you just hear me when I told you that Beauty will never have anything to do with you? Not now or ever. Come on, find someone else, okay? And move on with your life. Make something out of yourself, okay? You know what? Just give me your number.
I just lost the little ITEL phone that I use. I got no phone with me.
Oh. Kajetan, can you let it slide?
Letting go of Beauty is just like disconnecting from that that gives me life. Beauty is my life. There's no future in me without her.
Okay. I have an offer to make you. Kajetan. Kajetan.
Yes.
What do you have running through your mind?
Nothing.
Anyway, as I was saying, I have a premium offer for you. Man, since you have an eye for beautiful girls and beautiful ladies, I'd like to introduce you to a friend of mine. She's really beautiful. I mean, she's indeed what you would call beautiful inside beauty. Like she's beautiful inside and out.
Abigail, you think I don't see beautiful women? Beauty is my choice. She's the one that I want.
Trust me, you haven't seen Sarah. If you have seen her, then you won't say this. But anyway, let me not push it. Before that, let me just do this. Okay, here. Yeah, have it. I'm trying to go a long way for you. Come on.
You're giving me money. Thank you so much for the money. I sincerely do appreciate.
And else I think I insist that I'm going to invite you over to my house so you can meet Sarah, my friend. Trust me, you definitely like her. It's okay.
I'll be on my way.
It's alright, bye.
Thank you.
Sure.
I've been searching for a long time for you. When you drove by, I knew that you were the one. Yeah, I'm I've tried to get you off my mind, but I failed. Oh, baby, give me a chance to love you. Oh, baby, she's the one I love. Oh, yeah, she's the one I need.
Man, I'm just a good fire bachelor trying to end this bachelorhood, but it hasn't been easy for me. I've tried my best to make Beauty see how much I truly feel for her. I really want to keep her. In fact, I want to marry her, but she's not seeing it from that direction. Instead, she wants me to. I don't know if she wants me to give her my kidney for her to know how I feel about her. She have insulted me, slapped me, humiliated me, but I still keep pushing, hoping that she will change her mind. Look at Abigail, her friend. She even offered to hook me up with another of her friends. The other time she gave me 10,000 naira for transportation. What a friend. And all this while she's trying to talk to me, I've been pushing her away, thinking that she wants to talk for herself. God help me.
She's the one I need. She's the one. She's the one I want. She's the one. 'Cause no one can take your place.
Hello, Dad. Oh, good morning from here. I'm good, Dad. Apparently not. Dad, please, can you permit me to decline? Allow me to find a wife here in Nigeria. Dad, see, if I put my mind towards the reason why I returned to this country, it's achievable. Besides, I do not want to marry any Kenyan girl. I want to marry from my country, Nigeria. I like our girls. Thank you, Father. I promise. Bye.
Babe, did someone call you yesterday?
That fool. You gave him my number. I've told you to stop.
Really, Beauty? Must you always insult and scare every guy that talks to you? Come on, are you going to marry yourself?
Here you go again. Abigail, you're beginning to sound like my mother and I hate it.
Anyway, did I tell you I got a job?
Good for you. What does a daddy girl like me need a job for? My father is Major General Johnson. He's more than capable. I don't need to worry my head over anything.
Well, the firm I got the job with is a big conglomerate in Abuja. I can't wait to resume.
Abuja. You leaving me soon?
Yes. Fred, my cousin, got the job for me, and I'm just going over to stay at his house with him and his new wife in their duplex in Maitama. Oh my God, I can't wait.
Who owns the duplex?
Fred, of course, my cousin.
Wait, I don't understand. How? Hold on. That broke guy owns a duplex already?
Broke guy? I don't get. I told you Fred, my cousin's an Abuja big boy who owns a water factory. I mean, Fredo Table Water.
Fredo Table Water. Abigail, you didn't tell me.
Oh, that's because you were interested in seeing his luxurious car first. Wait a minute, Beauty. Do you know how many cars and trucks that guy owns?
Oh my God. You should have told me now. You should have explained in details. You didn't tell me. Hi.
Anyway, that one is gone. Just like that. Oh, Kajetan. Yes, that's another one. I think since you don't want him, I should just make him with Sarah. Yes, perfect match, Sarah.
You want matchmaking at 5 and 6. What about you? You not go marry? Eh? You want to matchmake Sarah? Anyways, I trust Sarah. She will definitely spit on his face.
Don't be too sure about that. Trust my matchmaking skills, trust me. Okay, another love story to tell.
Fred owns a duplex.
Stay away if you don't get the money. I'm a queen, I deserve the best. Run away if you don't get the money. No time for love.
Oh, come in, the door is open.
I only want the good advice.
Hi. Hello, ma'am. Hey, good day, my darling.
I came as soon as I got your call.
You're welcome. Thank you for ordering my invitation. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Make yourself comfortable. In a jiffy, I'll be back.
No, please. Come on. You don't have to. It's not necessary.
If you say so.
Yes, I say so.
You mean you don't want anything?
I'm practically family.
All right. See, my daughter. The reason I invited you over is because of my daughter, Beauty. Abigail, I think she's losing it. Her refusal to get married to Kajetan is giving me cause for concern. That's because there's something about that guy Kajetan. But I really can't place my fingers on it. But there's something about it.
Well, the truth is, I've tried severally, to introduce her to some really good guys who want her for keeps. But all she does is just spit on their faces. I really don't know.
Why does she treat men like that? Why?
Well, for one, she feels she's the daughter of an army major general. She wants the best of guys. She doesn't want a peasant.
I think she needs to refrain from harsh actions towards me. And she needs to avoid extremes. Can you help me achieve that, please?
Speaking about extremes, what she did to my cousin, calling him all sorts of names, going to the extent of even slapping him, that was the height of it. But yes, I forgave her. I did. But that was really extreme.
What? She slapped your cousin? This is preposterous.
Baby, my parents are asking after you.
How? You didn't know me?
They know I'm seeing a man. They want me to bring the man over to the house. They want to meet you.
Babe, don't you think you're pushing this for crying out loud? Don't you think you're desperate? For crying out loud, allow me to be the man in this relationship.
Why are you unreasonable? We've been dating for 3 months now, and you think 3 months is not enough to come and meet my parents?
Babe, why are you acting up for crying out loud?
Because I have been rejecting suitors because of you. I'm a pretty girl. Okay. Men cluster around me just like bees to honey, yet I chose you. Baby, I want you. Don't you get it? Please come and see my parents. Please.
Okay, fine. I'll do that at my own time. Just relax and give me time. I just want to get to know you better.
Listen. You're old enough to be married and have kids.
Honestly, marriage is the last thing on my list now.
Yeah. Do you know that my cousin Fred, whom she called broke, simply because he wasn't with his car the day they met, actually has a water factory and other businesses in the Federal Capital Territory?
Are you kidding me right now?
That's the major reason I'm saying Beauty should look into Kajetan. He might just be one big catch, and she mustn't lose him due to her insensitivity.
What is wrong with my daughter, Beauty? What is wrong with her?
Well, I think she's in love with Melvin. They met about 3 months ago. You know.
Who is Melvin? Because she's yet to introduce anyone to us.
Well, Melvin is a spec. He possesses all the qualities she wants in a man. Melvin is the one Beauty wants to say I do to.
Then she should introduce Melvin to the family. What is this? That's the right thing to do.
Well, he's yet to propose.
Exactly my point. Beauty is being unnecessarily insensitive. Huh? Marriage doesn't give anyone everything you need. It doesn't. Listen, if a soothsayer told me that I would end up getting married to a major general in the army, I wouldn't have believed it. But here we are. I fell in love with my husband even when he was not a major general. I met him in one barrack in Benue State where I was posted for my youth service. And one thing led to the other and we got married. Marriage is not a give and take thing. So I don't know what is wrong with my daughter.
Well, your love story is quite pleasing to the ears.
When are you bringing him home? Oh? Melvin, of course. Soon. How soon? Mother, please. I'm not in the mood for all this. I'm exhausted. I want to go upstairs, freshen up and relax. Excuse me if you don't mind. Young lady, any man that wants you will not wait for like forever to make his intentions towards you known. Listen, if Melvin loves you like you claim, he will not hesitate to tell you what he feels for you. Neither will he hesitate to officially introduce himself to the parents that gave birth to themselves. Beauty, do not throw away treasure in search of treasure. I'll advise you use your head instead of your butt.
Wait, if I can actually hear you correctly, are you saying that Beauty's friend is trying to hook you up with another of their friend?
Oh, now you get the point. Exactly.
But isn't this funny? This is funny though.
Oh, well, as funny it may sound, it's the truth. The girl that even trying to matchmake me with another babe is not even married. As a matter of fact, she is single and not into any relationship at all.
Talking about her, I have said it before and I will say it again. And even if you ask me tomorrow, my words will not change. I prefer her a million times over beauty. She seems to be nicer, more coordinated, more like a woman. I think she has a good heart, and this is the kind of quality you should be looking for in a woman who you want to make your wife.
Yeah. Can you believe that? The other day, she dashed me a whooping 10,000 naira for a tea fare.
For transport?
I swear to God.
Wow. Wow, man. This called for a chance, man. This is wow. I am telling you, man.
You're a funny guy.
I'm telling you. Then what else are you looking for? What else? The sign is there. The handwriting is on the wall.
Well, the girl you were talking about just got a job in Abuja and she'll be relocating soon.
Is that all? Bro, do not let this girl slip off your fingers. Because if you do, I am 100% sure that you are going to regret it.
Greg, if I can understand where you're heading to, you're trying to tell me to abandon whatever feelings or whatever thing that I have in mind with beauty. I mean, with that sophisticated, gorgeous queen. I should throw it away, I should forget about it and go for this girl's friend. Is that what you're trying to say? Hey, no.
I already told my friend Sarah about you, and she's ready to meet you.
So, when are you moving to Abuja?
Next month. That's why I'm doing everything possible so you can mingle with Sarah. Trust me, she's your kind of woman though. See, I like seeing people happy, okay? And right now, your happiness is my utmost priority. With this look on your face, it tells me you're not even interested in meeting her. Come on, Kajetan.
But why can't I have her?
Because she doesn't want you. Listen, I don't want you to go and do something rash because of beauty. That's why I'm doing all of this. Okay?
Well, I feel like the basis of love shouldn't be money.
Well, I have spoken with her. I've tried to make her see reasons. But she wouldn't budge. Even her mother, who just suddenly started to have a soft spot for you, has also tried talking to her. Oh, to no avail.
Listen, babe. I need you to spell out this whole thing for me. I need you to define this relationship for me. I want to know what I'm doing.
You're my baby.
Just your baby. When are you coming to see my parents?
Babe, I've told you this, and I'll tell you again. I'm working on something. Okay, let me finish the things I have at hand. I can come see your parents. Just relax your nerves.
I have heard this from you a million times. Melvin, if you love me as much as I love you, nothing will stop you from coming to see my parents.
Babe, relax. Okay, fine. I want to get to know you more. I want to get to know you very well before coming to see your parents. That's all.
And 3 months is not enough? What do you want to know about me that you don't know already? I told you I schooled in the UK. I told you about my age and year. I told you about my parents. I told you I'm a Pisces. Everything I told you, I did without you asking. But you, I don't know anything about you.
Listen, if you don't want me, if you don't love me, look in my face and tell me.
You want me to look you in the face and tell you so you can dump me and go and marry one of your suitors, right?
You're not showing any sign of seriousness.
How? How?
Ever since we started dating, you have not asked about my parents. You don't know anything about me, my likes, my dislikes, and all of that.
Baby, I know about your parents. Fine, I know who your father is. Your father is a major general in the army. You keep singing that into my ear, so I know who he is.
Baby, listen. My heart yearns for you. I don't think there is anything stopping us from getting married.
Marriage? If I want to ask you this and I need an answer. How old are you that you're this desperate for marriage? I mean, why can't you just go out there and look for something meaningful to do with yourself? Like, do something and stop talking about marriage. For crying out loud, that makes you look so desperate for marriage and it's not working.
Kajetan, there's no easy way to say this, but I'm just going to hit you with the truth. Beauty is in love with someone else.
She has a boyfriend.
Yes. The more reason I want you to move on and mingle with Sarah.
Abigail, can you please come to my place before you leave to Abuja? There's something that I have to show you.
Okay, that's fine. We're friends now. You know what? Let me have your address. Okay. Put in the notes. Okay. I will be visiting. And what are you going to keep for your friend when she comes?
Well, anything you want, I'll give you.
Oh, let's not forget. My dad. Yes, I told him about you and he wants you to come to his office with your curriculum vitae.
Why don't you visit me first so we can talk about it? I mean, we'll have the whole time in the world to discuss about it.
Okay. Meanwhile, give me your account number. I have a little token for you because I want you to appear really cute and handsome in my dad's office. Come on.
I'm sorry, but I won't be accepting that. I mean, thanks for your kind gesture. I'm sorry if that really hurt you, but you don't have to give me money.
Okay. Let me drop you off at your... Where are you going to, by the way? Is that your house or...?
I'll just walk down to the POS stand. That's where I'm heading to.
Oh, okay then. That's okay.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
I've been searching for a long time for you. When you drove by, I knew that you were the one. Yeah, I've tried to get you off my mind, but I failed. Oh, baby, give me a chance to love you. Oh, baby, she's the one I love. Oh, yeah, she's the one I need, baby. She's the one I want. 'Cause I cannot get you off my mind. Can you give me a chance? I'll never break your heart. I'll never break your heart. I don't know your past, but I can make this future beautiful. Please take my hand. Let me lead the way.
Good afternoon.
Who is that?
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Good afternoon.
I'm sorry, sir. It was a mistake, sir. Sorry,
No, don't worry. Come inside. Don't worry.
No.
Come inside. Don't worry. Come inside. Don't worry. Come inside. Don't worry. Come inside.
You mean you should lock the
Don't worry. Come inside. Come inside. So who are you looking for?
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't know that this place belongs to a military person. I did not mean to intrude. I'll just drive back. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The thing is, I got the address mixed up. I'm sorry.
So who are you looking for?
You will not know the person. He has a POS spot, and he gave me that. I'm sure I got it mixed up. I left my phone in the car. I'll just go check the address again. I got it mixed up. His name is Kajetan. This is not a ruse. His name is Kajetan. He's tall. He's dark. Broad-chested. I didn't mean to come here. I'll just go and check and I'll leave. I'm sorry.
My boss is Kajeta. He's the owner of this house. And he's not a POS guy.
Oh, what a coincidence. Another Kajetan. Well, I'm sure there's a mix-up. Yes, your boss, Kajetan. Oh, Kajetan. But I know he's not the one I am looking for, because the one I'm looking for is quite, like I said, he's tall. He's dark, broad-chested. He's a POS person, so I know. I'm sorry, it's a mistake. I would not repeat this mistake next time. You know how these guys behave. They just give you the wrong address, and I'm sorry, I don't know what I was thinking. Please forgive me. It won't happen again. I'll just quickly drive out of this place. I'm sorry.
The owner of this house is still the owner of the other house there.
Yes, I know. You said so.
He's still my boss.
Yes,
I
agree with you. Huh?
Let's go inside.
No. Like I said, I did not mean to intrude. The thing is, I will not come back. I'm sorry.
No, don't worry. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go.
Officer, I did not mean
Don't worry, let's go inside.
Do not let any harm come to me in this place. What in the world of sorcery is going on here? No way. Someone has some explaining to do. Kajetan! Kajetan!
Abigail.
What's going on here? That.
What?
The portrait. Are you a soldier?
Oh, yes.
No, that's not possible. I mean, you are a POS operator. Your stand, you have a POS stand, right? Am I correct?
Yes, you are correct.
Okay.
But let me reintroduce myself to you properly. My name is Lieutenant Colonel Kajeta Moses, a sophisticated, skilled U.S. Army officer.
U.S. Army? Oh my God. Wait, how come Beauty doesn't know? Tell me is what I'm thinking. These guys? Why?
I will tell you why, my darling. Sit down, this is your husband's house. So you're highly welcome.
Husband? What husband?
Sit down first. I will tell you everything in details. Okay? Come on.
How about that guy, Fred?
Which guy?
Your new crush now.
Who's crush? That's your broke cousin. Please don't remind me about him again.
Who told you my cousin Frederick is broke?
From his appearance, it's obvious he's broke.
Come on, Beauty. Can you just stop? My cousin isn't broke.
Please don't remind me about him again. I don't date broke guys.
Beauty.
He's not my spec.
You even have a spec, Beauty.
Leave the way.
I just sustained the fracture.
And so, I have a date to catch. You're wasting my time. Get out of the way now.
You should at least show some little sympathy.
Are you out of your mind? Are you okay? I said get out!
Why would a beautiful girl like you be this heartless?
You are mad. Look at this poverty-stricken son of a nobody. You have the guts to talk back at me, right? I don't blame you. I blame poverty. If you don't leave my way this minute, I'll kill you. I don't give a fuck. Get out! You should have stayed now. No, you should have stayed. I would have killed your ass.
Honey, don't you think our daughter is straying? She should be called to order before it gets out of hand.
Well, if Beauty does not like all the men who are coming to marry her, then that is it. She's at the center of this thing all. We can't be making decisions for her at this age. She knows what she wants.
Beauty is going about this the wrong way. She allowed her beauty to get into her skull. Which same girl does that? Despises all the men that come around? Is that how to go about it?
Well, I'm sure you're not saying that she should just end up with any man.
Honey, that's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is that I don't see the reason for this her unruly behavior. I don't.
Well, just calm down. When she finds the right man, she definitely will get married. Can I assure you?
Very well then. She should get a good job since she doesn't want to get married.
A job?
Yes.
What type of job are you talking about? Oh, you want my precious daughter to go and work for peanuts? You and I know that no company in this country can pay her well. She's an Oxford graduate, for crying out loud, and you know that.
I can see you're the one spoiling our daughter. Yes. I can see your misguided energy trying to destroy our daughter's life and future. It's written all over you.
What kind of talk is that?
Get a job. No. Get married. No. There's no company that can pay her in this country. Fine. Why did she come back? Why not stay back in abroad and make something out of her life? Why come back?
She's also my daughter. Don't forget that.
Then guide her appropriately. Guide her as a good dad should. And I know your daughter is in love with some stupid guy that doesn't even feel anything for her.
Beauty is in love? With who? No, tell me. Who is she in love with?
I'm at a loss for words. You made everyone believe you are a poor POS operator, whilst you own all of this. And you're even a colonel in the US Army. I don't get it.
Well, I have my reason for doing what I did.
You mean your reason for the disguise?
Exactly.
Why didn't you just come to beauty with your true identity? Why fake it?
My love, I did what I did for obvious reason.
You keep calling me your love. This isn't beauty. It's me, Abigail.
I've come to find out that you're truly the one for me and not her. It's you that I want. I was beclouded with her beauty.
So you mean to tell me you are no longer interested in beauty?
No. I'm not interested in her anymore. I mean, all I want is my happiness and my peace of mind. That's all that matters to me. I do not want to suffer what my father suffered. I realize I do not need to make the same mistake he made.
Was it that bad?
Yes.
Tell me about it.
Wrong choice. You say in life, the choice that we make either makes us or mar us. According to what my friend said, I have no reason to make wrong choice, no matter what the reason may be.
And who is your friend?
Greg. You have never met him. He chose you for me.
Funny. How can someone I've never met from Adam choose me for you? How is that even possible? That's preposterous.
She's the one I love. Oh, she's the one I need. She's the one I want. No one can take her place. I've been searching for a long time for you. When you drove by, I knew that you were the one. Yeah, I've tried to get you off my mind, but I failed. Oh, baby, give me a chance to love you. Oh, baby.
Hi, baby. How are you? Oh, yeah, I'm fine. I'm done, though. That was fast, right? Yeah, you know, I had to be there in person so that those guys wouldn't play with me. So, yeah, I'll be back soon, you know. So how are you and my beautiful kids? Okay, I'll be coming back maybe tomorrow. My flight is 6 a.m. I've already booked my flight and yeah. Maybe I'll see you guys soon when I come, okay? Yeah. Oh, I love you, baby. I do love you so much. For real, I do love you. Oh!
Go. What is the matter? Why are you in a haste? Who's pushing you?
I killed him.
Who killed who?
The bastard is married with kids.
Who?
Melvin.
God. Is that why you decided to take laws into your hands?
He used me. He wanted to run to America to meet his wife and kids without telling me. I killed him. I'm happy he has gone to the great beyond. I do not regret my action.
What have you done? What has this?
Did I not say it? She has succeeded in destroying her own life. Ha! Beauty.
And she doesn't regret it.
It's time to get it right.
You called.
You see, quite some time now, I have been stupid. But yeah, I'm glad that she said no to me. If not, I wouldn't have found this gorgeous, sophisticated damsel right before me. You see, Abigail, there is this uniqueness about you that makes you so endearing.
You're everything and more that I've ever wanted in a woman. You know, within a short period of time, I've grown so fond of you. And I'm going to ask you this. To please walk this walk with me. Marry me, please. Please.
Yes.
Are you for real, baby?
I'll marry you.
It's a yes.
Come on, put it already.
I'm so excited. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's so beautiful. We need a bottle of champagne to celebrate this. Let's go to the city.
I am blushing.
Why are you happy now? Did you win a jackpot?
I won more than a jackpot.
What is that on your finger?
Oh.
Is that an engagement ring?
What does it look like?
Tell me now, what's going on? Don't leave me in the dark. What is this? Who proposed to you?
The love of my life proposed to me and I said yes.
So who is this lucky guy?
Why are you asking?
Because you're a good girl. I mean, sometimes I act irrational. You're always there by my side. So yes, any man that is getting married to you is the luckiest man on earth. Wow, my girl is off the market. Congratulations.
You see, bro. Now take a look at you. You look excited, fulfilled. You look genuinely happy. This is what I have been talking about. You see, tell me you now you are not happy. You tell me that you are not happy.
Well, you are perfectly correct.
Okay.
I'm extremely happy. In fact, I'm more than happy. You know, meeting Abigail and knowing her is the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Why are you telling me what I already know? I told you emphatically that she is way better than that spoiled brat of a girl. I told you.
Well, we have made terrible mistakes in the past. You know, man have to go through some certain setbacks sometimes, breakdowns and all that. But what matters is how we come back to our feet, pick up our pieces, and make things right. I'm happy the man that I've become now, all thanks to Abigail.
Great, great, wonderful speech. I love it and it made sense. This is what I have been talking about. Not everything just makes sense so easy, effortlessly. You see, now you are a blessed man, I promise you. One more thing, my brother. When is the wedding date? I should be the first to know, you know? Yes.
Yeah, you're right. She told me she got a job as a chartered accountant in a very large firm in Abuja. But that will never happen because I'm going to see her people next week Saturday and nothing will stop it. So after that, we can pick up from there.
Perfect. Great, sweet. Hey! One day.
My man.
You see this wedding? We shall be there.
You will be there.
Seriously, it would have been you, Beauty, but you pushed him away.
Pushed you away? What are you talking about?
Well, thank you for not accepting him.
Wait, hold on. Don't tell me Kajitan proposed to you.
He did, and yes, we're getting married.
What? Wait. Abigail, of all the men in this world, it was Kajitan you chose? can he possibly do for you? You want to suffer? He cannot give you a good life. What are you doing?
Beauty, Kajetan and I are getting married next week Saturday. And you, my friend, are invited.
Nah. I am the daughter of the rich army general. There is no way I am attending that marriage. It's not possible.
Really?
Yes.
So you're telling me, your best friend, that you will not attend my wedding?
Well, I am not going to attend. Go ahead and do your thing. How can a pretty girl like you debase herself so low to get married to that low life? That broke thing, that... What did you see in him? Are you blind? What is wrong with you?
Okay. But you and I know I wouldn't do that to you, right?
Well, you accepted a man I rejected. There is no way on earth I will attend that marriage. Worst of it all is that man is stinkingly broke. Broke as nigger. God, were you blind? Jesus Christ.
Oh my God, Beauty. It will shock you to know that the one you called broke isn't broke at all. I wish you knew what I knew. Oh my God. Hello?
Hello, my gorgeous queen. Where are you?
Oh, baby. I'm on my way home now.
Oh, you forgot we're having an appointment today?
Oh, that's true. I actually did forget. Sorry.
We supposed to go for your visa.
Yes, I know. But not to worry. I'll be back soon, okay? I love you.
And you know that I love you so much, right?
I love you, Mom.
Yeah, baby. See you when you come here.
Oh, my baby. Oh.
Look at this handsome army guy. His uniform fits him so much. Let me see if I'll send him a friend request. What? Lieutenant Colonel Kajetan. What? He is an army?
Musa! Musa! Musa!
Ma.
Hurry up, come.
Look at this. You know him, right?
Yes. It's not the PS guy that used to come here to toast you.
He is a colonel in the US Army.
How?
Hi.
How come? But he said he's a PS guy.
That's what he made me believe. Oh my goodness, what have I done to myself? I just lost this man to my girlfriend, Abigail.
You don't mean it.
Hi. What have I done? Well, you should have advised me. You should have called me to order now.
Madam, but your friends now, even Abigail was advising you then. You know,
What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself?
It's
Nami.
It's one of those things. So, maybe...
Father, soup.
Who's he? I can only see a handsome Lieutenant Colonel in the US Army. Kajetan. The one we all believed was a POS guy. What? A Lieutenant Colonel in the US Army. How?
I've lost him to Abigail.
Hey! I said it. I knew it. I've always said that there's something about this guy I couldn't place my fingers on. Huh. But my daughter won't listen to me. She wouldn't listen to me. She wouldn't pay rigorous attention to details. Instead, she chose a married man. Thank you, gods, that man didn't die. Because if he died, he would have been in prison by now.
They're getting married next week, Saturday. I will not sit here and watch Abigail marry my man. He came for me first. I must have him. He is mine.
Oh. Okay. You want to put up a fight with your friend about a guy you called broke? I see. Very well then. Go ahead and put up a fight with your childhood friend over a man you hated his guts. Young lady, let me advise you. If you know what is good for your stupid self, leave them alone. Try and do something with this your leftover self, because he has gone. You can never get him back. You hated that guy so much.
I can't. I deserve to be with a good man. I'm beautiful, I'm sexy, I am more educated than Abigail. I graduated with first and second degree from Oxford University. I deserve to be with him. I must have him. If I cannot have him, nobody will.
Go and have him. I told you there was something about that guy, but I couldn't place my fingers on. You didn't believe me. Now you want to have him by force. Come and have him. Rubbish.
Baby, I want you to know that you are everything amazing. I mean, all shades of awesomeness. The truth is that I regret the stupid things I did with the wrong person.
What's funny is how you got slapped by her severely, and you even had to do a couple of frog jumps to prove your undying love for her. I mean, you are a soldier, yet you endured all of that.
Well, I was blinded by
her beauty. Yes, we'll give that to her. Beauty, my friend, she's absolutely beautiful. She's gorgeous. But I've told her there's more to beauty than, I've told her to work on herself.
As a woman, I was carried away by her beauty, forgetting the most important thing in a woman, which is her inner character. Beauty, your friend, she's so arrogant, proud, and mannerless.
You sound bitter. Are you still in love with her? You love her, right?
Who?
Who else are we talking about? Beauty, of course.
Well, come out of it. At first, I felt that I was in love with her, but As time went on, I realized that what I felt for her wasn't love but just fantasy. Listen, you are the one that I truly feel something strong for. You have a great personality that made you being loved by all and sundry. Please, stop bringing beauty in our conversations going forward.
Okay, it's fine.
I love you with all my being.
And I love you more.
Come here.
My beautiful wife. My beautiful wife, mother of my beautiful children.
Stop. Stop now.
Can I stop?
We are no longer your stars, Ima.
What do you mean by that? You are still the beautiful damsel that I saw and fell in love and married. Yeah.
Honestly, I can vividly remember how you walked up to me that year and started to sleep with. Hey,
serious.
you know, my friend Steph told me to be wary of men in uniform. She opined that they are Casanovas and cannot stay with one woman.
Seriously?
Yeah, she was of the opinion that all men in uniform flirts. Hey, for me, I told her I was in love with you and wanted to date you. And that was how I lost her.
You lost her how?
Yes, she warned me of her.
So where is she now?
Dead.
Steph is dead? What happened?
Then she was in a toxic relationship with one Eric. Though I warned her to stop the relationship, but she said she was in love with this man and couldn't leave. One fateful black day, they had their usual misunderstanding, and Eric stabbed her and absconded.
What? Stab?
Apparently, he was apprehended while trying to leave the border. He was apprehended, paraded, prosecuted, and sentenced to life imprisonment.
Good.
2 years down the line, he was found dead inside the prison.
Dead inside prison? How managed? How did it happen?
He took his life.
Oh, he ended it all.
Yeah. We believe that the spirit of Steph, his wife, made him take that dastardly act.
Too bad.
I miss her though.
Steph.
Come here, baby. What's wrong? Why did you stop?
I don't want to do it.
What do you mean you don't want to do it? You told me downstairs you were catching feelings for me. Never mind, just come.
Oh, please stop. I'm sorry. I can't do it.
Is this about beauty? Fine.
Abigail,
Her death came as a huge shock to me. It hurts because I want her. I want her, but she won't listen.
Well, stubbornness kills sometimes.
Steph is one friend I wish I never lost. I still miss her a lot. Can't get over her.
You'll be okay. You'll be fine. I think Beauty's here.
Hey, come back here. How could you? Does it mean you didn't see your father and I? Besides, you went to the shopping mall. Where are the things you were asked to buy?
I didn't do any shopping.
Why?
I saw them.
You saw who?
Abigail and Kajitan. I saw them coming out from the mall, laughing heartily like lovebirds, entering Kajitan's car.
Drama queen. What's with this drama? How does their decision to move on with their lives after you rejected Kajitan affect you? How does Kajitan finding happiness and moving on with his life, how does it affect you?
She's not going to have him. If I can't have him, nobody will.
Honey, you know what? I think your daughter has completely lost it.
You think so?
Desperado! Husband snatcher! How desperate can you get? How long can you go?
Huh? What is wrong with you?
What's this fuss about?
I knew you were daft, but I never knew you've added being a drama queen on the long list. What is wrong with you? You rejected him, and he came for me. What's the fuss about?
You're a desperado. That's who you are.
I warned you, Beauty. I told you not to keep toying with men. You can eat your cake and have it.
You are evil. You're not a good friend. You knew he wasn't a POS guy. You knew he was a soldier like my father, yet you hid it from me. Why didn't you tell me?
I did not know. I didn't. How was I supposed to tell you what I don't even have an idea about? He invited me to his place, and I went there thinking I was going to find him in the slum. I got there and I found out that he was very rich and he was also in the US Army. So how was I supposed to tell you? Besides, I guess he lost his interest in you.
What have I done to myself? I just shot myself on the leg without knowing.
Why this sudden interest in a man you never cared one bit about? You and I know that you do not love Kajitan. So why are you acting like a child? Why are you sulking? Beauty, you need to grow up.
Stay away if you don't get the money. I'm a queen, I deserve the best. Run away if you don't get the money. Not them for nothing, not them for nothing. I only want the goodie vibes. I don't want anyone with bad energies. Yeah, I'm so allergic to poverty. No time for dulling my energy. I deserve the whole wide world, yeah. If you don't get the money, I'm a queen, I deserve the best. Run away if you don't get the money. Not them for nothing, not them for nothing.
How did you find me?
A catfish cannot be hidden in the water. What a handsome army. Lieutenant Colonel Kajitan.
So, what are you doing in my house?
You. I want you.
Excuse you. Watch your hands.
My hands don't bite.
If you touch me one more time, I'll be left with no other alternative but to call the security guy to kick you out of this house.
Why are you behaving like this? Have you forgotten we had something going on?
Beauty, we had nothing whatsoever. You broke me, and you didn't care how that made me feel.
I'm sorry. I was going through some hiccups.
All I did was to find true love, and all you could do was to spit on my face, thinking that I was poor. You looked me in the face and called me broke.
I'm sorry.
You dished out a lot. Well, I took it and tolerated it because I was just thinking and believing that it's just a matter of time. You will realize that I am the one for you. I was willing and ready to give you this whole world, but you spoiled it.
I'm sorry. Please stop emphasizing on all the things I did to you. I was emotionally traumatized. I'm so sorry.
We'll have nothing and we'll never have anything together. I'm just surprised that you showed your face here after everything that you made me go through.
It shows it wasn't me.
Going to Abigail's house wasn't a way of peace.
She told you I came to her house to fight her. I never fought her.
So then, what did you go to her house to do?
She's my girlfriend. I drove to her house to see her.
Well, I don't have such time to stand here bargaining words of dialogue with you. I have so many important things to do. As a matter of fact, I have a flight to catch.
A flight? You going to the US today?
You will find your way out.
Kajitan, please. I'm a changed person and I'm here for you.
Stop this.
Please,
Stop this nonsense.
Kajitan, it's me, Beauty.
I don't care. Please leave my house. I said stop this and leave my house. Listen, I do not want to disrespect you. Please leave my house.
I'm angry at myself. The signs were there. I can't even lie. He doesn't want me anymore. He doesn't want to see me. God.
Beauty, I think you are hitting yourself too hard.
I lost him. I lost him due to my foolishness.
Much as I hate to admit it, your mom was right. I am sorry for all the wrong I did to you.
Dad didn't do any wrong to me. In fact, you taught me a lot of things that I know.
Well, I didn't teach you right. I wasn't a good father to you. I destroyed you. Now, what should come to you, she has.
They're getting married.
Never mind. Definitely your own man will locate you. But Beauty, you have to drop this attitude of looking down on men. Yes. I think you need a change of environment. So get ready, put your things together. You'll be traveling to the UK next week to be with your brothers.
It's a good idea, Father. But please, allow me to stay around for a while so I can wish my girlfriend a happy married life. She'll be getting married next Saturday.
What?
She's still my friend regardless.
Well, if that's what you want. If that's what you want.
I get cash.
My guy. James.
Kajeta! It's a lie.
This is your guy.
What? Kajeta! My guy!
My man.
Who get this fine with you?
This is my car. One of my cars actually.
One of your cars?
Yes.
Kaje?
Eh?
Kaje, Baba?
Pack your things, let's go to my house and chill.
Your house? And chill?
Yeah.
I like
Pack your
chilling.
things, let's go.
I like to chill. Who doesn't like to chill? Amaka!
Oh.
Hey, Kajeta!
Yeah, James. Come in. You're welcome to my house.
Wow. Kajeta, I mean, this is your house.
Actually, I'm Lieutenant Colonel Kajeta.
Who be this? Hey. You be soldier?
Lieutenant Colonel Kajeta Moses. Yes, I am a soldier. I actually came back to Nigeria because I'm in search of a wife.
A U.S. Army officer. Hey, boy, you can act too. And you allowed that daughter of a major to humiliate and embarrass you the way she did all along. Hey.
Well, it's fine. James, my guy. How are you doing now? It's been a while.
Wait. Why you no go join all these Nollywood people now? Make they do film, they shoot film. You can act though. Hey, actor.
James, you know how close we are. As a matter of fact, you're my very good friend, and not just that. You're more like a brother to me now. And I'm going to make you an offer.
An offer? What offer?
I would like you to come to America with us and get enrolled in the army.
Come to America? Army? Yes, I'm coming, I'm in. And what am I even doing here in Nigeria now? Thank you.
Good. So my friend, all the necessary arrangements will be made. Like getting you a passport.
Thank you very much. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Fine. You remember our discussion? I mean, the discussion we once had when you told me that you want to be a soldier.
Yes, I did. I told you of my plans initially that I wanted to be a soldier. But that was just my plans. I didn't know you were an army, working with the US and all of that.
Okay. So I guess this is a dream come true for you.
Yes, it is. Hey, see me see US. Officer James. US, here I come.
Honey.
Hi.
Food is ready, so let's eat.
I can't wait to have what you cooked.
And your friend can also join if he's staying.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Kajitan, is that not Beauty's friend?
Yes, Abigail. Well, we'll be getting married next Saturday.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mike.
I'm happy for you. Hey.
Thank you so much. So let's head to the diner. She said food is ready.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Ooh, super.
Now, wow. Who would have believed that Kajeta is a US Army female and is this rich? Hey.
James, you can say that again. I mean, that was the same thought I had the first day I stepped into this house. Trust me, I was surprised.
Hey.
In fact, surprise is an understatement. I was wowed.
It is so big, it is so big. I'm still in shock. This life, see, this life never despise anyone.
Of course, you're truly correct.
Come on, guys, can we just eat? We have a lot to actually catch up with.
But, hold on. Where did you get all those clothes you used to wear to my POS bank?
Is that supposed to be a question?
Yes, it's a question.
Yes, James. Do you know, I haven't actually asked that question. Tell me, where are they? Because ever since I've been in this house, I've gone through your closet and I've not seen anything like that. Tell me.
Guys, please, can I just eat?
No, you can't eat. Tell me.
I'm not eating.
I want an answer to that question.
I do want an answer to that.
Well, after winning you over, I want all of them.
Oh. You are super corny.
I did.
You start with me.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, you did. What is it? Be explicit or just leave me to enjoy my peace. Come on, what is it?
Okay.
Why are you holding that? What? You. Oh my God. Come on, you're a soldier. Why are you scared? As well, you just tell me you are in the mood and you want to make out with me. That's more like it instead of just, are you that chicken-hearted?
Well, this has nothing to do with it, soldier.
What has it got to do? Tell me.
So, why don't we go into the room
And
we'll figure it out.
okay, that's more like it. So go into the room and I'll join you shortly.
I've been waiting for you.
I know. That's who's here. I'm glad you're... What's that? What did I just touch?
My thing, of course.
Oh my God.
I'm smiling.
Oh, thank God. Thank God. You didn't just give me the most handsome husband in the world. I mean, you also gave me a breathtaking, a big enough. I love you.
I mean, it's time for us to explore each other.
And exploring, we shall.
Baby, actually, you did not tell me that it was the first time.
Well, if I remember correctly, someone said we should explore each other. But I'm glad I'm glad my first time was with someone I truly care about. My baby.
Yes, my love.
You are a soldier, but you're so shy. Why?
I'm not shy. I'm in love. I love you so much.
And I hurt you.
You are more than enough. And I'm grateful to God for not letting me make mistake in choosing the right one for me. I would have gone the way of my father, shattered into 1,000 pieces. I'm a product of a broken home, and it makes me grieve.
Well, you don't have to grieve anymore, okay? I am here for you. And I promise to be your wife, your mother, and so much more. Okay?
Thank you.
Beauty, can you stop sulking? It's not the end of the world. Come on.
I messed up.
Well, we all do at some point. But the good thing is, your own man will find you. I feel Kajetan wasn't meant for you. Okay? So chill.
Kajetan, I'm sorry for everything I did to you. The slaps, the kicks, the beatings, the punishments, the embarrassment. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
Beauty, it's fine.
My encounter with you has taught me a very big lesson.
Beauty, I am happy you have learned a lot of lessons from your mistakes. Colonel, please forgive her.
Ma'am, I've already done that. I bear no grudges against her. The reason my wife and I are here. Beauty, I forgive you from the depth of my heart.
Thank you. Abigail, I'm sorry for trying to put up a fight against you. You warned me, but I didn't listen. You begged me to accept him. I didn't listen to you.
Beauty, come on. You are my friend turned sister, so you do not have to kneel for me. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on, sis.
My father said I'll be traveling to London to meet my elder brothers.
Really? Wow, congratulations. Oh my God. Oh, but I will miss you.
Same here. I'll miss you too.
Congratulations, my young man.
Oh, thank you, Mayor.
Very well then, at this juncture, I think all of us should move to the dining, because lunch is served.
Okay, so let's go.
Come on, I'll join you, okay? Come on. Beauty, like I told you earlier, you are my friend turned sister. So we're practically family. And like my dad will always say, someone who doesn't know where the rain started beating him will not know where it stops. The reason I'm saying all of this is because you told me that you'd be relocating to the UK. I don't want you to keep doing things the traditional way. I want you to change your attitude as you relocate.
I've done that already. I'm a changed person now.
Perfect. I'm happy to hear that. Listen, I want you to live your best life, and soon enough, I'm sure you shall bring me news. Good news.
Thank you. I'm sorry for everything I did to Kajetan and Fred. I probably shouldn't have done what I did to them. Please beg them for me. I'm sorry.
Come on. My husband has put that behind him. As for Fred, trust me, he's moved on long ago with his wife. So you have nothing to worry about, okay?
Abigail, I feel so ashamed of myself.
You don't have to be ashamed. Come on. The most important thing is you realized your mistakes and you made amends. That's what counts. Listen, on a lighter note, human beings are social beings. So feel free to make lots and lots of friends. Yes. Enough of your snobbish nature. Come on. No more. No more. Okay?
Hey, girls. You kept us waiting.
We'll join you. But I'll miss you though.
Let's go. Enough of the miss. Let's go.
I'll miss you. Your mommy will practically start beating us right now, so let's just join them. But cheer up, come on. You're gonna make me cry.
I'm fine.
Okay, air kiss. Mwah, mwah. Get up.
She's the one I love. Oh, she's the one I need. She's the one I want. No one can take her place. I've been searching for a long time for you. When you drove by, I knew that you were the one. Yeah, I've tried to get you off my mind, but I failed. Oh, baby, give me a chance to love you. Oh, baby, she's the one I love. Oh, yeah, she's the one I need, baby. She's the one I want. 'Cause I cannot get you off my mind. Can you give me a chance? I'll never break your heart. I'll never break your heart. I don't know your past, but I can make this future beautiful.